how to resize photos on Android. So if you want to resize photo on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your gallery and then select a photo that you would like to resize. Now once you've selected, you need to just go with the edit option, which is on the bottom. Once you go with the edit, now you need to go with the top where you have quality option. Tap on quality, and from the quality, as you can see, that you have 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, and then 100%, right? Which is the original one. That's 100%. Now, if you want to resize the image, then you can select 80%, which is 53 KB in size, estimated size. On the bottom, you will have your estimated size. If you go with 60%, then it's 30 KB. And if you go with 40%, it's 13. And if you go with 20%, then you will have 3 KB. So go and change the resolution. After changing your resolution, go with save, which is on the top right. And this way, you'll be able to resize your photo on Android. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.